Hey everyone, it's me, Melissa Haole, and today's video is to give you guys some updates. There's been so much that has happened over the last 30 days with Color Street and new nail strips and new launches that I just had to pop on and make sure you guys were aware of this, because if you're in my Facebook group, then you already get the notifications because I post about this stuff on the daily, but I don't post every day here on YouTube. So I want to make sure that if you're not already a member of my Facebook group, please, you're welcome to join us. It's just facebook.sassygirlnails.com. But if you're not a member and you're not aware of these new nail strips that have been coming out, well, I can't wait to tell you. So the first thing I want to share with you is check out these bad boys. This is one of 8 new nail strips that are created for your piggy toes. Yes, Color Street recently released a pedicure line for us. I'm going to show you this one. This is the only one I have in stock right now, but there's 8 available. You know, I'm going to show you guys where you can see them all on our website in just a second. But first, let me show you this one. This one is called How Sweet It Is. And really, how sweet is it? So this is Swede, like Sweden. But look at this beautiful teal glitter. It's just stunning. Just stunning. And if you're wondering, can you actually apply these to your fingers? Yes, you can. People have been doing that. And it's especially great for those of you that maybe have a little bit wider nail beds than traditional. So if you've had struggles with the Color Streets fitting you, this might be a great solution for you. Just be aware this is one-sided, so you'll only have the curve on the one side, not on both like you do for your typical nail strips. But other than that, it's the same formula. It applies great. These ones are just more square and wider than the Color Street typical nails. And also you'll find that as you get to the smaller sizes, they're going to be a little bit more teeny weeny to get those little tiny toes that you have. Let me show you the rest. Not only do we have this, but we also have new Patriotic nail strips that just released. I don't have them yet. I did order some, but I don't have any to show you yet. But that's 4 new nail strips all ready for you to celebrate your love for red, white, and blue. And why don't we go take a look at those designs too. So hold on, let me pull my computer up and show you where you can go to shop or browse all of Color Street nail strips. All right, let's go browse some nail strips. First, I'm just going to go to my favorite browser and go to the address bar and type in www.sassygirlnails.com and then hit enter. All right, so that's going to bring you to the Color Street website, and notice there's a lot of nail sets. I mean, you could scroll through and look at them all this way, but big tip right here is the catalog section. If you click this drop down arrow next to all products, you can filter down by category. So we want to go check out pedicures. Let's click on that line. So as you can see, some really cute things going on here. I just love that anchor look. And then we also have kind of like, well, thin, so that a fish scale look. So pretty with those colors. The yellow, and then look at further down, we've got some additional solids in pink, purple, and then we got some glitters. All right, so now let's go check out the Patriotic line. Oh, look at that, like fireworks. Who doesn't love fireworks during the summer, right? And this glitter dip one over to the right, the red, white, and beautiful, is actually a clear. So if you happen to have a solid color underneath it, you can do an overlay and kind of change how that looks. And then here's another glitter. All right, I wasn't kidding when I said Color Street has just been knocking it out of the park with providing us with amazing design choices. So as I mentioned, we already saw the pedicure line, which was recently released. We just this week did the Patriotic line. And then at the end of April, they also released Listen and Love, which is a nail strip that allows us to show our support for mental health awareness. And also, any nail strips that are purchased in the month of May, $2 of that is going to be donated to the JED Foundation and Active Minds. The goal of raising $100,000, so $50,000 for each of those organizations. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I just really wanted to make sure you were aware of all that's going on, all the great things that are happening with Color Street. Now, I don't know about you, but I just can't wait to see what Color Street comes out with next. So thank you guys so much for watching and have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye! If you're not a subscriber to this channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit subscribe. And if you want to be notified of the next time I upload a video, then make sure you also hit that bell icon. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you next time. Bye.